Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is May the 19th. Today we are looking at the chart of the Euro USD 60 minutes time frame here. So we completed this with P, so it's in the form of APC, therefore this is a minor degree with P. And then now looking for a select down, which should be subdivided into 5 waves. So we got this 1, 2, and then this is a 3. Now looking for a 4 to fail, for another leg down to finish 5 of C, right? So we're looking for the downside in favor of the USD in the shorter cycle. Now, so that's basically the idea, at least in the shorter cycle, right? In the shorter cycle, one more leg down to finish a select as a 5 waves. Now, if I zoom out into the 4 hour, right? This is the 4 hour. So let me copy in the P. The P is at around 118, which is this one, right? So if this is the P, where's the A? Well, the A should be here. So we're looking for an APC from here, where we are now in the wave 4 of C, right? So again, I think if you just simply look at the short term and nothing else, then basically we're going to be looking at the C equal A as potential target here. So you can see another leg down into this area between 116 and 115, right? Now once we reach this area, then depending on whether this is really ABC, right? If it is, then we should be getting some sort of reaction higher, right? So the reaction higher either can go to new high or it can rally and fail and go down again. But unless this is 1, 2 and we are now in the wave 3, again, if it is wave 3, we can go to 1.618, right? But if it is an ABC, then we should have some sort of reaction from here between 114.80, 116, and then at minimum we should be getting some sort of 3-ish rally, if not going to a new high. Okay, so that's for the Euro, but in the shorter cycle we are anticipating another leg down coming to finish this with 5 of C over here. Now this C, for example, could have completed here if it is truncated, but ideally it does extend a little bit more upside to finish the C leg over here before we reverse to the downside. Okay, so that's the update, and as always, if you want to get more regular updates on Forex or stocks, indices, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.